Still same formulas ang gagamitin natin, but magbabago ang ating sign convention, wherein kapag positive ang F, that is convex lens or converging lens. Kapag negative ang F, concave lens and diverging lens. Opposite siya ni mirror. Kabaliktad ni mirror to. Pero still, ang DI mo, kapag positive, real. Kapag negative, virtual. Still, kapag positive ang H, upright. Kapag negative ang H, inverted. So, ito lang yung nabago, no? Sa F natin. Let's have an example. A 4.0 cm tall light bulb is placed a distance of 45.7 cm from a convex lens having a focal length of 15.2 cm. Determine the image distance and size. Since we are using a convex lens, mapapansin natin na ang ating focal length is positive. So now, let's give the following given. Write the given. Given natin, we have the height of the object, 4.0 cm. We have the distance of the object from the vertex, 45.7 cm. And we have the focal length of 15.2 cm. Now, we're asked to solve for HI and DI, the height of the image and the distance of the image. Now, let's have the formula. Unahin natin ang DI. 1 over DI is equals to 1 over F minus 1 over DO. Substituting the values, 1 over DI is equals to 1 over F natin, 15.2 cm, minus 1 over DI natin is, DO rather is 45.7 cm. What's the answer? 0.04. Tama? 0.04 cm. Okay, reciprocal. DI now is equals to 0.04 cm. What's the DI? 25. Sakto? 25 cm. Okay. Then, solve for the HI. HI is equals to negative DI times HO over DO. Substitute the values. Negative 25 cm times HO, 4.0 cm, divided by DO, 45.7 cm. What's your HI? 2.19 or 90?
19 po.
Huh? 19. Okay, 19 cm. Now, lagay natin yung ating description sa image.
Negative.
Yes, thank you, Rudder. It is negative dahil negative yan, ano? Negative 2.19 cm. Okay, correct. Thank you. LOST. Ano ang ating location? Ang DI natin 25, right? Ang F natin ay 15. 15 times 2, 30. So, ang ating 2F ay 30. Ang ating F, 15. Tama? Ano nakuha natin? 25. Nasaan siya ngayon? Nasa pagitan ng F and 2F. So, our location is found between F and 2F. Ayun. Orientation. What's the orientation? Ang height na titignan natin, ano? Ang H natin ay negative. So, kung negative, it is inverted. Ayun. How about the size? From 4, naging 2. Diminish. Remember that, ha? Titignan nyo mabuti yung comparison. And then type. Sa type natin, tingin tayo sa DI. Ang DI mo ay positive. So, kapag positive, real image. Okay. Now, pagka ang ginamit naman natin is diverging, lagi ko lang ito, buhod ko lang, ha? Kapag diverging ang ginamit natin or concave lens, ang mababago lang po dito is magiging negative lang po ang ating focal length. Malinaw? Pero same pa rin siya. Sige.